Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I have a special video for you today. I'm going to be talking about Gala Music Nodes. Now, if you guys are familiar with Gala Games Nodes, you know that they are extremely pricey and the volume is scarce. With the Gala Music Nodes, this is basically a branch off for the whole Gala ecosystem. I'm going to be going over what you can potentially earn with the coin, what are the pros and cons with this project, and then I'm going to go into a little bit history with Gala Games for those of you that are new. But make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Basically, this channel is talking about crypto, financial education, financial wealth. I've been mainly talking about crypto since that is a very good topic and there's a lot of money to be made in this space. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So as we can see here on their page, Gala Music has basically come out with a different version of nodes and a whole different ecosystem. So basically you can go ahead and set up a node here, have NFTs that generate music. You could put any sort of NFT that you want onto the node that you are running and earn rewards based off of that. So it's a very cool concept. And let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So first, I just wanted to go ahead and discuss like the easy steps on how to set up the node. And basically all it is right here, run, collect, earn. So you will basically be operating a music node that makes you a pioneer. You're not just a pioneer of the Gala network, you're what powers it. So basically when you're running the node, you're contributing to the whole ecosystem and you get rewarded. So there's only 3 easy steps to create this node. All you have to do is purchase the license to operate the node, run it, run the software to get it set up on whatever system you're running it on, and then you can pair music NFTs with the music nodes to earn rewards. So before I go any further on this, if anyone is new to the whole Gala music concept, I want to talk a little bit about Gala Games just real quick. So Eric Schremer, I'm pronouncing his name wrong. Oops, sorry. So this is basically the face of Gala Games, and he has a very proven track record of what he has done with his career. And let's go ahead and jump right into it a little bit here. Basically, before he started Gala Games, he made Farmville 2, Zigna Poker, and many more. So those are a lot of really good games that have done well in the past. And basically what he decided to do is that he wanted to take those games and put them on a decentralized blockchain, and he ended up making Gala Games. So Gala Games is very good. The price of these are very expensive, so this is a very good alternative if you cannot afford a Gala Games node. So the Gala Games node costs 330,000 Gala tokens, and at the current price, which is basically 30 cents, that's like $99,000 basically that you would have to pay in order to run a node, and no one has that type of cash. So the one really good thing about the Gala Music Nodes is that it only costs $1,200 to make. So, you know, it is an investment. It was basically the same amount that original founders of Gala Games ended up buying their Gala Games nodes for. So it's relatively the same price. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the pros and cons of what I think the Gala Music Nodes are doing. So the first pro that I want to go over is basically that Eric has a proven track record of making things successful, especially within the gaming realm. So we see his proven track record on the games that he did before creating Gala Games. Then he made the Gala Games, and he has a very good proven track record with that as well. So those are 2 very good things. The other really good thing is that Gala Music has done some really good partnerships along the way. So the very first one is Snoop Dogg, and as we know, Snoop Dogg played a significant role in the Sandbox token. Once people like saw that he was partnering with Sandbox, the price of that just soared dramatically, and that was really intense. That was like one of the main reasons, but you know, yeah. So basically, Snoop Dogg made a new album, Back on Death Row, and he dropped it on the blockchain with 3 exclusively for Gala Music, and you can buy the stash box, which contains 1 track, and you know, be rewarded like a G. So basically he did this sale. You can listen, earn, and play his tracks on your node and get rewards. They did have a sale going on, which was the stash box. So the stash box contains 1 of 17 tracks from his new album. I'm not exactly sure how much, was made off of that, but I did see an article stating that Snoop Dogg will be raising like around $125 million worth towards the Gala Games, ecosystem. So I don't have that link with me right now, but I'll definitely post it down in the description if you want to go ahead and take a look at that for sure. So not only is Snoop Dogg basically in the mix, but there are other well-known artists that are on this platform. The other two that I can think off the top of my head are basically Maroon 5, Steve Aoki, and then there are a few others. So that is a very good thing right there. The cons is that this is a very new space for Gala Games. They're doing something completely different, and they might succeed based on their proven track record with their other projects, but this is just a whole different industry that they're getting into, and the music industry is definitely brutal and hard to get into. So it'll be definitely interesting to see what the market will want to do. Will they really want to buy these NFTs at whatever price points they get them at, and get rewarded for playing music? Maybe, but we'll just have to see what happens in the long term. So I'm just giving you guys the facts so that you could be the judge on what you want to, and if you may want to potentially invest in this. But like, I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I'm just giving my opinion on this. So definitely big, different industry and stuff like that. So that's just kind of one of my concerns. But with crypto projects, what I've seen, if they're very solid, they have a publicly known team, and they've had a proven track record, typically they do fairly well. And people that get in early on projects, they end up making money. Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. Basically Warren Buffett statement, and people have cashed out. So it'll be interesting to see what Gala Music does on this end. So I just wanted to know, like, basically what is the reward amount? How are you going to be getting paid for all of this? And I plucked this from the Gala Music Discord, and this is just basically saying right here that the tokenomics. So 10 cents USD of music tokens minted for each verified track play, and distributions are as follows: 50% goes to the artist, 35% is distributed evenly to all owners of the track being played, 10% distributed across the music node network active nodes, and 5% to specific node playing the track. And then this can be subject to change. So the reward amount is pretty low, 10 cents. I mean, it's pretty comparable to what Spotify pays, their artists, but this is basically rewarding the person that has the node and is playing the music. So we'll definitely have to see where this goes. I mean, shit, Drake makes a lot of music posted on Spotify, and he makes millions of dollars because people keep playing his track over and over again. So we'll definitely have to see where this goes, but this is basically the potential revenue that you can get, and this will really vary depending on how many people play the track. So I can't necessarily give you like a specific amount on how much you can get, but this is what the tokenomics that they have released so far. So with the Gala Games token right here, the Gala Music is basically making their own token. So we don't know how many coins that they're going to be producing, and if they're going to be burning any of them at all to get the price up there or not. So we'll just have to wait and see kind of what happens there. But I do definitely see a lot of potential with this project, and we'll just have to see where it goes. So only $1,200 to invest in, I don't think that's bad. So far I haven't really seen anything where they have released on how to install the nodes, but I'm definitely waiting for that to happen. And once I find that information, I might get a node and see where that definitely takes me. If you guys like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. This was just basically a quick video discussing the Gala Music Nodes, and this could be a better alternative for people who haven't been able to get into the Gala Games. And if for anyone that was basically looking for passive income, this is a route. So comment down below on what you guys think about this project, and do you think it will be as good as the Gala Games or better? What is your opinion? I want to get that because I want to have a good, nice discussion with this. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Love my subscribers. I wouldn't be where I'm at without you today. So I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.